Welcome to this demo video for Pathwave Test Executive for manufacturing. In today's video, we're going to talk about test variants. Test variants allows us to define different sets of test parameters within a single test plan, enabling the testing process to adapt to different product versions. For this demo, we will create two variants into our test plan. Each of them will run with a different set of tolerance settings. What you see here is the manufacturing user interface. Let me begin by creating the first variant and name this variant Type A. For the Type A variant, I'll set the tolerance value to 0.05. Another way to create variant is through the test editor interface. From the manufacturing user interface, I can launch the editor interface and load the test plan automatically. Now that the test plan is loaded to the editor interface, if we look at the variant tab, the Type A variant that we created earlier is now shown here. Now let's create another variant and name this Type B. For Type B variant, let's set a tighter tolerance of 0.01. Now when the manufacturing user interface detects a change in the test plan, it prompts you to reload the test plan. Simply click OK and the test plan is reloaded. You can now see both variants in the interface. Type B runs with a tolerance of 0.01 and Type A runs with a tolerance of 0.05. Now let's run the test plan and review the results. We will start with Type A variant. We can see that the measured value is now being tested with a high-low limits of plus minus 0.05. Now let's switch over to Type B variant. Now Type B runs with a tighter tolerance of 0.01, and this results in a test failure. This is because the tolerance is much more restrictive for the measurement in this case. So to switch between variants, you can simply select the desired variant from the pull-down menu. So this concludes today's demonstration for test variants on the manufacturing UI. Thank you for watching.